Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Magnific Creator. In this video, I would like to share about the tutorial Sketchup how to make a slatted modern wooden bench. Okay, first of all, you have to make a rotated rectangle like this. You can position on the origin. You can see it, and then you can make a value of the distance is around 1,200 millimeter only. Okay, then you can set the width of the bench is around 500 millimeter, right? Then you have to push it up until it got the thickness of the board, something like this. You can set the 50 millimeter of the thickness with push tool in the SketchUp, and you have to make group, and you can offset it inside. It's around 30 millimeter, like this. Then you have to push it down until it clear on center plane. Okay, you can see it. And after that, you have to make a beam. You have to make a wooden beam with a rotated rectangle. Okay, you can use this tool. You can set the width is around 30 millimeter, and you can set the height of the beam is around 60 millimeter, right? Then make it group anyway. After that, you have to make this extend. You have to make a extension of this wood. It's around 100 millimeter. And on the left side, also you can extend it with a push tool 100 millimeter. Then after that, you have to make it to be component. Just right click on the object and make it component and just create it. And after that, you have to move it and press Control and select the end destination right here. Then just type on your keyboard by the value as you want. How much as you want is around 8 slash maybe. Yes, you can see it. You can see the distance is every distance is equal. Okay, every distance is equal like this. Okay, then you have to make a support in below of the bench. You can use a rectangle tools, and you can position on this corner of the object and just press shift on your keyboard and press push it down. It's around 350 millimeter, right? Then just make it on, or anyway you can make it group, and you can set the diagonal line and just make a variation of the shape. Is you can type 100s and press enter to make it smoother than before. Okay, something like this. You have to delete the unnecessary object and by right click and erase, and then you have to erase the plane like this. Then you have to cut in this in paste in place. Then you have to delete some unnecessary side of this. Then you have to make it component. Then just create it and press move on the left side of the bench. Okay, I think it's enough. You can add some appropriate material. You can add wood or anything you want. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you can get a lot of benefit by this video, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.